As you can see on the screen, WhatsApp says that your account activity and device information is being checked to make sure it follows their terms of service. First, the most important thing is to wait. WhatsApp says the review result is typically provided within 24 hours. So, don't keep uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp, and don't repeatedly try to verify your number. Give the review process some time to finish. After some time, open WhatsApp again and check your account. If the review is completed successfully, your account may be restored and you should be able to use WhatsApp normally again. Also, make sure you're using the official WhatsApp application. If you were using a modified version such as GB WhatsApp or another unofficial WhatsApp client, switch back to the official WhatsApp app. But what if more than 24 hours have passed and your account is still showing account in review? Then your next step is to contact WhatsApp support and report the issue. Explain that your account is stuck in the review process and ask them to check the status of your account. Avoid these mistakes. Don't repeatedly request verification codes. Don't keep uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Don't use unofficial or modified versions of WhatsApp. Don't pay third-party services claiming they can recover your account. Never share your WhatsApp verification code or OTP with anyone. So, if your WhatsApp account is currently showing account in review, don't panic. Wait for the review to finish. Avoid repeatedly verifying your number. And if the problem continues, contact official WhatsApp support.